telling where the day go, nah. Ain't no telling where the time roll, but it's alright. But it's alright. Hard days, hard nights, hard times, hard life, all night, damn right.
Hey weirdos, welcome to this very special episode of In the Evil Lair, Projects and Builds, where we bring villainy to life. And in this one, we're going to make a product, and we're going to start a company. And we're going to name the company Why Not? Why would you do that? It's self-explanatory, it's in the title. And in order for us to launch this Why Not, we need to launch an exclusive comic book cover. Only we need to do it better than some other people have done. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this super special Spec Age polymer, right? It's transparent, you see? And we got to do some artwork on it, and then we got to find a comic book to attach it to. I chose Spider-Man 99, number 5. Why this particular cover? Why not? It's just a random book, but I heard something about possibly being in a movie, so now I need to inject that FOMO into people to make it sound more important. And to make it even more exclusive and more FOMO-ish, what I'm going to do is I'll limit this to 1. Oh, millions of dollars coming into my hand. And we're going to be very smart with our material usage. So I found this, luckily, Space Age, super scientific, plastic stuff. So let's put some artwork on it, attach it responsibly and ethically, and yeah, this is a vindictive video, I know. So enjoy it anyway. Let's do this.
Don't got no heart, I got an icebox. Brand new roller, swipe out the G-Shock. Moving slowly, I know the street hot. No more double, go ahead a detox. Came from the trenches, they ain't showing us no love. Thugging in the city, all we wanted was a hug, yeah. We on the block like every night to catch a buzz. Get the cash and tell my family of the hood, that's a must. Was a hood baby with no soldiers. Bad past never left my mind, it's taking over. No, I should've died, that's why it's hard to stay sober. Glad to see the sun, but my heart getting colder. Life's so crazy, what we been through. When you die, the only time that they gon' miss you. Tell my mama no more tears, no more tissue. Ooh, just some hood baby with some issues. Hood baby from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Hood baby from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. I'm glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Pull up in that rain, see me ballin', yeah. 30 piece on my wrist like I'm Harden. Either they love me or I'm a target. Cause the ice on me is flawless. I've been busy and picking up when you callin'. And on purpose, I hate the fact we ain't talking. But anything that you need, dog, I got you, I mean that. All this pressure make it hard not to relapse. Build up aggression, make it hard for me to relax. To the hood, baby, ain't no way that I'ma lead that. My dogs need hope, step it up, I gotta be that. Cause life's so crazy, oh, ain't been through. I'ma love you way before I gotta miss you. Hold this mama by my side, give her some tissue. We were just a hood, baby, with some issues. Hood, baby, from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Hood, baby, from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. I'm glad we made it through. I'm just glad we
All right, weirdos, you ready? You ready for the unveiling? Why not? Super exclusive Pocan Joe Evil Lair cover. Here we go. Bam! Look, we put some tribal painting on it. I don't know if it's coming up there. There we go. Now you can see it kind of flickering in the light. Yeah, it's Viking stuff. What? Why not? I mean, yes, it's a Spider-Man 99 book, but you know, why not? Right? And then we got our super space age plastic here. If we open up the book, it's still readable. And we used crystallizing glue, or CA glue, and then we hardened it, so it's like a crystal. You get a crystal with this, right? And I think it even pressed it a little bit. And it's not a reprint, a facsimile. It's a first print. Yeah. And look, we got the 99, Spider-Man 99, because, you know, it's going to be in a movie, right? And then, of course, 99 down there to prove that it's a 99. Still readable. Got Phoenix Fossil gray, because, you know, I painted my Evil Lair, and that's like my new, it's like an homage cover, really. It's an homage cover. Original artwork, whole 9 yards, super exclusive. One, unless you want to buy them in bulk, then we'll work something out. So, yeah, so how much does this book cost? Let's say, well, I got to calculate all the cost in my head because I'm a small business now, all my bills, everything else. It's super rare, right? And I know you got FOMO now, so that's a plus. So let's say $750. Now, I do all this to have a little fun with what happened at C2E2. Some of you may or may not know what happened there. And I'm really just having a little bit of fun. But if you watched me do this and you're like, wow, you're kind of messed up. That's kind of wrong. You probably have better business ethics than others. And that's all I'm going to say about it. I hope you all have a good night. If this made you mad, I apologize. You can always hit me up on Instagram, wherever, if you need to put me in my place or whatever. I'm happy to hear it. Y'all have a good night. Bye.